At the supermarket tonight, Worcester parents making a last-minute run.
The kids are thinking they have school off, and I'm thinking I might have tomorrow off from work, so we're getting ready.
Kids in the city have already had 2 canceled school days since the beginning of the year. Tonight, their prayers were answered again.
I don't have any plans right now. Probably snuggle in the house until it finishes, go outside, play in the snow, and that's about it.
A month of wild extremes. Heavy snow, frigid cold, then a warm thaw. The city is still feeling the effects of the storm 12 days ago. A 6-inch water line break on Hammond Street has resisted temporary fixes, sending water bubbling down to Main Street. Another repair will have to wait until after Wednesday's storm. Anna Khaleesi plans on staying put. You're going to work from home tomorrow?
Yeah, not driving. I work in Cambridge, so not venturing out that way.
I'm stocking up just in case. I'm thinking I don't have work tomorrow, so hopefully we both stick around at home and just hang out, so it'll be nice to bond.
Now, that's certainly a nice way of putting it. Another day with parents scrambling for childcare, time to bond. Now, for DBW crews, however, it'll be time to put a dent on this salt pile. The sanders and plows are not expected to hit the streets until well after midnight. The morning rush hour is expected to be a bit of a mess. Live in Worcester, Jorge Quiroga, WCVB News on the 5.